IT House reported on September 10 that on August 29, Huawei's new generation flagship model Mate 60 Pro suddenly went on sale on the official website in advance. It is equipped with the self-developed Kirin 9000S chip and uses the domestic 7nm advanced process technology. It has gained huge sales attention and purchasers. According to Kirin, the release of the Mate 60 Pro is seen as Huawei's opening salvo and returning to the mobile phone market. Many people close to Huawei confirmed that Huawei has launched a comprehensive plan to fully return to the global mobile phone market, with the domestic market first and overseas markets later. Multiple technological breakthroughs in the past 3 years have laid the foundation for this return, and subsequent launches are products, channels, and markets. It is reported that Huawei has raised its mobile phone shipments this year from 30 million units at the beginning of the year to 38 million units, of which 20 million units have been completed. Among the 18 million units that have not yet been completed, according to Tianfeng Securities analyst Ming-Chi Kuo, Mate 60 Pro may account for 5.5 million 6 million units. According to reports, Huawei has publicly stated earlier that the Mate 60 Pro will not be launched overseas. However, other mobile phone products have been launched overseas. In May this year, the P60 Pro, the folding screen Mate X3, and a series of full-scenario ecological products were released in Germany, the United Arab Emirates, Malaysia, and Mexico. In mid-September, Huawei will also release new smartwatch products in Spain. IT House has noticed that in the past 3 years, due to Huawei's mobile phones being unable to obtain 5G chip manufacturing support, the market share has dropped from nearly half of the Chinese smartphone market before sanctions to a minimum of less than 10%. The global and Chinese market share was once only reduced to less than 10%, 3% and 7%. Are you excited for the Mate 60 Pro global launch? Comment below. That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comment section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.